Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all how I prepare this Irish potato sauce. This sauce can be eaten with rice, or you can still eat the sauce alone because of the potatoes and vegetables used in preparing this meal. If you want a change in your food or diet, or maybe your palate is craving for something different but unique, this sauce is a game changer because it's healthy and you will be sure of eating clean. So on this table is a display of all the ingredients which I'll be using for this sauce. So here I have my green beans, I have my carrots, I have onion, I have green bell pepper, I have spring onions. Here also is my chicken stock. Here also is my chicken cooked and sliced. Here I also have my Irish potato. Here also is my pepper, all sliced. So I will start off by adding the chicken stock into the pot and let it simmer for a little bit. Then I'll be adding the sliced potato into the chicken stock. Next I'll be adding my thyme, curry powder, and I'm not adding any salt now because my chicken stock already have salt and spice. So I will be cautious while adding any other spice or salt to this sauce. Next I will add some water and let it cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. So after the potatoes have cooked for some time, I will be taking them out from the stock and set them aside on different plates. So here is the potato and chicken stock after separating them on a different plate. The reason is to prevent the potato from overcooking. So always remember you don't need to overcook the potatoes while preparing this potato sauce. So in a clean pot, I'll be adding my vegetable oil and let it heat up for a while. Then I'll be adding the sliced onion and continue to fry. Next, I'll be adding the spring onion, carrots, green beans, and I'll continue to stir fry. Next, I'll be adding my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be sprinkling a little salt and continue to stir fry. Next, I'll be adding the chicken to it and continue stirring. So here I have a tablespoon of corn flour which I have dissolved with half glass of water. This will serve as a thickener to the sauce. So I will be adding it gradually. Make sure you add the thickener gradually and continue to check the consistency. You don't want your sauce to turn out too thick like agidi. You know what I mean? It will become a mess if you overdo the thickener. After giving it a good stir and making sure there is no lumps of corn flour, I will be adding the chicken stock into the pot and give it a good stir in order to make the stock go round the vegetables. At this point, you have to check out for salt. But here I wouldn't be adding any salt because my chicken stock is well spiced. So now that the sauce is ready to be eaten, I added boiled egg to mine. You can skip this process if you want and still have a great meal. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I make a new video. And if you have any question regarding this video, please do that on the comment section and I'll be glad to reply all your questions. Thanks for watching and see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.